Dear Tipra Motha warriors, I welcome each one of you, those who are going to travel from Agartala to Delhi on 2nd of December. My best wishes and good luck to each and every one of you as soldiers and warriors of our state. My best wishes, and I would like to urge you not to be involved in any things in which our design and our story will be tarnished. But I will wish each one of you to have safe journey, comfortable journey. And after landing in Delhi, and before landing also, many Haryana state peoples and UP state peoples, even on your way to Delhi, Bihar state will be crossed. And in all these states, people may feel, yes, Tripura warriors are passing towards Delhi, so they're approaching to Delhi, and they may have a mindset that Tripura people are very disciplined and they are loyal to the authority, and they will surely achieve to their success for which they are fighting, for which they are launching movement after movement here in Tripura and at Delhi also. This time your number will be more than 1200. So unless each one of you is disciplined, it will be difficult to control a big numbers of people, men, women. Therefore, I advise each one of you to be quite soft and silent and peacefully traveling, not to create anything which will tarnish our future. So after landing also, I wish you will be in one place and the authorities will be there and our organizer also will be there, so that we're controlled well and we obey our seniors' command, and to begin the movement there in any places. It will be known to you on time, and our chairman Maharaj will be there also, and who has, I think, arranged accommodation and all the key points and all the places